Okay, first example. Ang ibig sabihin ng ating given ay, ano yung magiging sagot ng 2x plus 3 if yung x natin ay inassign natin as positive 2. So, first step, copy mo yung given natin na algebraic expression. And then, second step, isa-substitute na natin yung value ng x natin, which is 2, sa ating expression. So, papalitan lang natin yung x ng kung anong number na na-assign natin sa given. So, sa ating example, it's positive 2. So, copy ko yung 2. Since papalitan ko yung x ng 2, ay magiging 2 times 2 na siya, tsaka yung plus 3. Naging 2 times 2 kasi ito, kasi yung 2x, yung ibig sabihin niyan ay dalawang x. Or 2x. Ibig sabihin, ang operation na i-associate mo dyan ay multiplication. Kaya, naging 2 times 2. Now, meron na tayong series of operations na makikita sa ating papel. Yung multiplication between 2 and 2 at saka yung plus 3. Dapat nyong ma-remember na meron tayong tinatawag na MDAS rule or GEMDAS. Pag sinabi nating MDAS, inuuna nating isolve yung multiplication or division bago yung addition or subtraction. Kaya sa addition or multiplication, uunahin natin yung multiplication. So, 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 3. Therefore, ang sagot natin ay, dito kayo lagay, positive 7. Kasi 4 plus 3 is 7. So, 3x minus 1, ano yung magiging sagot nito if yung x natin ngayon ay magiging negative 1. So, copy mo again yung given na expression, 3x minus 1. And papalitan mo na yung value ng x sa ating expression ng inassign natin na value, which is the negative 1. So, 3 times negative 1 minus 1. To continue, multiplication ang mauuna kaysa subtraction. So, 3 times negative 1, unlike signs, is negative 3 minus 1. And ang magiging sagot ng ating expression ay negative 4. Alright, dito na tayo sa ating third example. So, right now, meron tayong tatlong variables na A, B, tsaka C. At yung values nila ay 1, negative 2, at negative 1. So, same lang talaga yung process na gagawin natin. Copy mo yung given, since nandito na ito. Ang next step ay magiging substitution na part na. So, 2 times the positive 1, which is yung value ng ating A, times negative 2, which is our B, minus yung negative 1 na ating letter C. Then, follow the MDAS rule or GEMDAS rule. First, magmumultiply tayo. 2 times 1 is 2, times the negative 2 is negative 4, minus yung negative 1 natin. So, don't forget sa subtraction, pinapalitan natin yung subtraction operation into plus at yung opposite sign ng ating pangalawang term. So, yung negative 1 ay magiging positive 1 and then you follow the rule for the addition of integers. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3 kasi pag unlike sign, sinasubtract yung numbers at sundin mo yung sign ng number na mas malaki sa kanilang dalawa, which is yung 4. Kaya, yung sagot natin again ay negative 3. Okay, last example. Kung iintindihin natin yung ating given, ang ibig sabihin nito ay yung tatlong B ay i-divide mo sa C. So, yung gagawin natin ay i-multiply natin yung 3 sa kung ano mo yung value ng ating B at i-divide natin sa kung ano yung value ng ating C. So, second step, ganun pa din. Substitute mo yung value ng ating mga variables. So, 3 times the negative 2 divided by the negative 3. And continue. So, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. At ikakopy ko yung negative 3. And now, sinasabi dito na negative 6 divided by negative 3. So, pag pareho yung sign sa division ay magiging positive, at i-divide mo lamang yung 6 sa 3, which is 2. And therefore, our final answer again is positive